Hey guys, welcome back to the series Built Inspired, where I create 30 programming projects while working and studying at the same time. Before we get started on this video, you might be noticing a few things. Yep, I changed the wheel a bit. Fine. I've also added a timer so you can see how much time it takes me, and when it hits a 30-minute mark, I would get a chance to use one AI prompt. There's nothing else to talk about. Anyways, let's get into it. Also, a note before we fully get into it, I forgot to turn my audio on for the first hour of the video, so it's basically gone. Editor, make it fun. Okay, so while he's working on it, I'll give a bit of details on this project. It's basically what we said it does. It checks whether your code is production ready, and that's it. There's no twists or turns for this one at all. Anyways, how are we implementing it so far? At this stage, I'm creating a program that's going to ingest all the files in the folder, and I think my next step would be to send the particular files to the AI agent, and we'll check whether it's production ready or not. And let's zoom over right now. Right now. Okay, so I think I have been muted for the whole thing. I'm gonna be really pissed if it was not recording. So let's see if it was not recording and I've been muted. I'm gonna be really pissed. And me, I need to learn how to stream again. First video I forgot how to record, second video I forgot how to. Okay, it's fine. This is what happens when you're doing multiple things in a week, right? This is literally it. Anyways, so just to give a recap, since nobody, hopefully the editor does a great job. Lugden's editor, please, I'm begging you, please do a great job at this. If it was not recording, just add text, sounds, whatever works, you know. But just to give everybody a recap, oh, we got a prompt. Oh, wait. Let's go. I'm gonna redeem it right now. I have to ask, like, yeah, hey, because I'm not proficient in JavaScript. I have to ask it. Okay. So it still does not seem to be working. Please take a look at the file. Make sure everything seems to be correct and tell me what command lines should I run in the terminal. Okay, let's see what it says. We don't want to be notified. Okay, it worked. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's going in there. Straight files coming from there, from the directory. Okay, that's good. Okay. First part is done then. Our second part I'm gonna do in a bit. I'm gonna pause the timer here because I'm feeling a bit tired. I'm gonna have dinner, then I'm gonna come back and work on it. Okay? Stay put, guys. First of all, is the timer. What if I pause? Oh, that works. Okay. And then we'll stop recording. See you guys in a bit. Alright, guys, I'm back. So this is the next day. Actually, I didn't get time after dinner. I had to do some stuff. But yeah, I am back now, and what we'll be doing is we'll be focusing on the ingestion method. What are we gonna ingest? What are we gonna use? Let me see where VS Code is. This code, there we go. So ingestion is working as far as we understand it. Alright, so our next step is gonna be, I think I should write this here, decided language, JSON TS. Next step is to input that code into AI agent. I'm thinking Claude right now, and he is gonna tell if the code is production ready or not. Okay, what we're gonna do next. Now I have to figure out how to consume code to main using JavaScript. Okay. So I think I'm figuring out how to do this. Wait, I think my time is gonna reach 1 minute 30 seconds. Wait, it's okay. Let's see. I could just ask Claude on how am I gonna make this then, right? I'm like, hey Claude, I knew I'm gonna do this. Okay, I need this file to ingest. Should I ask him? I need this file to ingest. Take the code, Claude API, and should I even wait? I think I could probably just a second. I'm gonna change the text though. What we'll do is for the text I'll add 1. Okay, and then for the rest of it I'll add what you got. Pass the API key. And we don't have .m configured. Alright, that's neat. Yeah, I'm not doing this because I don't want to write my code there. What I'm gonna do is Oh, it's the same error. Oh, it did give us a response. Nice. So we are able to use this. I'm gonna write my prompt in there to make sure it does what we want it to do. On the other side, I would create. I have to combine the prompts with the application. So first, there's two things that need to be done now. We have been able to get the connection working and get the prompt working. Our next goal is gonna be, let me just write it down really. Yeah, so got the prompt working. AI prompt set for Claude. Next step's gonna be to input that code, and then he's gonna tell code is production ready or not. Okay. Alright, I'm back. I had to get some water. Let's see. I was just looking at this out, making sure that, but I have a feeling what we can do now is try to send it files. See if we can. Search send files. What you want? What you want? What if you are to view this code down below, which I have written for ingestion files? Okay, and then just do Control A, Control C. There we go, this is what I want to do. What you want? This song is fucking orange in my head, dude. Wait, do we reach? Oh wait, there we go. We have like one prompt. I'm gonna use this. I want to use this right now, dude. I'm gonna basically ask it to create the file format to upload file to Anthropic. I mean, I know how to do it. But whenever this reaches 30 minutes, it should ping me. Probably need to create my own time. What is this shit, dude? I don't want to delete the file. It just does shit that I don't want it to do, bro. I didn't want you to do this. This is all I wanted it to do. The mine type. It's a mine type, bro. What is this? Okay. I shouldn't get this angry. Let me see online what mine type is first of all. There we go. This is kind of what I was looking for. What you got? See message. So the file is uploaded. So if I go check there now, I should be able to see the file, right? Because there we go, that's the file that was uploaded right now. Okay. And then now I can prompt it to this file. Now comes the funny part. I need a bit of a break for this funny part. Alright, and we're back. I've created a totally regular prompt, and we're gonna see how this prompt reacts right here. It's not safe. Moment of truth again. Let's see if this works or not. 3, 2, 1. We must into this chance or something. Wait, it did. Alright, let's get this over with. Come back when you actually tested this. It's done, guys. So do you guys see, this guy's a very respectful software engineer who in no way, shape or form would get more aggressive as you use him more. Let me see if I run this again, what would happen without even changing anything. Okay, I need to beat this one as well. I think we are extending ourselves here. We have done what we came here to do, okay guys? So let's see here. Yeah, it's going. Alright, let me look at this code. Okay. Code review rejected. File directory ingestion script. Oh great, another masterpiece. Let me tear this apart. Issues found. Line 5 variable naming disaster. Line 8 silent failures. Line 27 console.log concatenation code. Line 4 no recursive directory reading. 5 hard-coded path. 6 no input validation. 7 synchronous everything. Not approved for production. Come back when you have written code that doesn't make my eye twitch. Should we? Okay, now what we're gonna do is, okay, I'm removing my AI prompt thingy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go back, ask Claude to fix these issues with the file based on the code that it just said, and we'll see what it says. Obviously we will break it, guys. This is our time. We're gonna see if we can break it or not. Control C, And again says this. Alright, let me see where we got it. Code review rejected. Oh, look at this. Another fixed file that someone wants me to rubber stamp for production. Let me tell you why this is not getting my approval. Issues. No error handling in redir, unbounded recursion, no file fit filtering, memory concerns, promise.all, no rate limiting, magic string fallback, console.log for output, zero type safety, zero test reference. Verdict rejected. Do not merge. This guy is insane. Wait, have you guys ever worked with someone like this? We would call this prompt Dr. Code himself. I feel like everybody should be able to do this. There's like absolutely amazing programming. Like everything he said is true. He's never gonna merge it. I love how he said read dire is failing. Just nowhere. Zero type safety. Alright, that's funny. Okay. So like this was today's video. Thank you everyone for joining me on this second episode. Episode 1 actually, not second episode, episode 1. Episode 0 was the wheel, episode 1 is this one. If you guys wanna continue seeing me this shit up again and again and just seeing my journey, continue watching this. Otherwise, have a good day. See you guys next time. Bye.